Hello friends, it's Raj. So, this is the unboxing and quick look of the OnePlus 7 phone which I bought from Amazon India. So, let's begin.
7654321.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
This device is being sold for a price of rupees 32,999. However, I got it for 30,999 after the bag offer. Okay, let's take a quick look at the retail box. It's about the OnePlus online community. So, this is the mirror grey variant with 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. Again, something about the community app which comes pre-installed in the phone. So, the box contents are one phone, one USB-C to A connector, one dash charger, one TPU case, quick start and safety guides, and a SIM tray ejector. Okay, let's take it out. After removing the plastic wrapper, you don't need to use any force to open the box. Just hold it by the top part like this. It's so simple. So here we have the SIM tray ejector, and OnePlus clearly shows how to use it with that background pic. Okay, again a poster. It's the quick start guide. Again, a card showing the types of plastics used in the product along with its recyclability. And finally, the safety information. It contains information regarding general charging and battery, and also regarding the warranty policy. By default, the manufacturer don't cover accidental damages like water, external force, etc. But you can buy protection plans from the OnePlus store or OnePlus Care app at additional cost. Also, if you verify your device with your OnePlus account, you will get OnePlus store discount vouchers which can be applied during the purchases made in the OnePlus India store. Again, a OnePlus logo and never settle stickers. And here comes the gorgeous and powerful OnePlus 7 wrapped in a plastic case. They have messed up with the pre-applied screen guard. Let's power it on and keep it aside. Next in the box is a welcome letter to the buyers from the CEO Pete. Then we have the OnePlus dash charger with 5 volt 4 ampere output, which is faster than QC4. Of course, you need to use the stock OnePlus USB Type-C cable. The phone is powered by Oxygen OS 9.5 based on Android 9, which is so clean but has some useful features and settings integrated in it. So far, after I purchased this phone, OnePlus has pushed 2 system updates with camera and performance fixes. Now let's take a quick look at the phone. On the rear, we have a 48 plus 5 megapixel dual camera with flash, and it has got both optical and electronic image stabilization. Then the NFC sensor in the center of the camera hub. Then we have the OnePlus logo and a label with the IMEI and other certifications. The back part is of 3D Corning Gorilla Glass. On the front, we have the 16 megapixel selfie camera, light and proximity sensor along with the earpiece, which also acts as a part of the stereo speakers. Then a 6.4-inch optic AMOLED display covered with 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass. Then we have the in-display fingerprint sensor. On top, we have the noise cancellation mic. On the bottom, there is the speaker grills, mic and the USB-C port. There is no 3.5mm jack, of course. Then on the right, we have the power button and alert slider. On the left side, there is the SIM tray and volume rockers. Let me take out the SIM tray. It has got a rubber seal for waterproofing. You can use 2 nano SIMs in it, and it supports dual 4G volt. The phone also comes with pre-applied clear screen guard. Now let's check the free TPU case. So it has got a plug for the USB port. The phone has got a big rear camera bump. So let's see if the case gives enough protection to the camera bump. The cuts are all perfect. The buttons also got extra padding, unique cuts for the alert slider and the speakers. So you can see the camera bump is safe well inside the case. The case also got raised lips and the corners are extra thick to protect the phone from light shocks. The screen guard and the case offers average protection, but it is better to go for a hard case if possible. So that was the unboxing and quick look at the OnePlus 7 phone. Hope the video was useful. Peace.